Hello everyone, greetings, and bringing a video for OTC market again. We're going to use two indicators in this strategy. And these are indicators you already know. One of them I haven't used much for before, but we're going to combine with this one. So recognize candle, 15 seconds. Okay, regarding the indicator, I'm going to add this Fractal Chaos Band and Bollinger Bands. Alright, here, let's configure the first one and keep it in the pure and the style, and then I'll remove the background so it's not necessary. Alright, so I will show you this right now. 200 period, and that's unselect this one, as I said. Bollinger Bands 22. Okay, if you want to use that's 2 pixel or 3 pixel for you, that's thickness, so this is up to you. What does this strategy consist of? Basically, it's confirmation of upward movement. Use the bands combined with what I like to call the hand god strategy. Okay, when I see 2 or 3 bullish candles, I enter the upside when the price breaks at the channel, like the climax. If this okay, yeah, if this confirmed right here, guys, you can see that. I'm using the position assigned out for 3. Yeah. I look for the first entry. That's okay. Yeah. Let me change this one. Yeah, look at this for MU1. That's just pretty good. That is a good huge candle. Yeah. Generally, I will wait for a strong candle reject candle. You can see here, it doesn't give me a very clear entry, guys. So looking for an recognition candle in the other indicators, even everything is in line, and as you can see that there are already several candles formally sometimes happen. That entry could have been taken early. And if it loses, well, this part of strategy to almost 10 seconds. I enter based on this strategy and follow exactly. I wait for Fractal Chaos break, and that's it. When you have this one. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. And look at this, baby. 2 seconds. We got this $76 of profit. We got our first win. Now let's look for the second one. Well, when I find it, I'll take and explain it again. Okay. So here's look like entry could happen. It seems like the price might break the Fractal Chaos channel, but it stays ringing. This is where we were because equal to take an entry. Alright, that's very good. Almost everything points to the breakout. This doesn't break Fractal Chaos. Even the Bollinger Band is moving, there's no entry. This is very clear example. I keep it waiting for a valid one, and look at that. We got this right now. $80, and let's see what's gonna happen with that one. Okay, now all that's left is to wait. Sometime that is wait for an entry. If doesn't appear, the entry point, it's so far away. But remember, these strategies work with 2 conditions. If the 2 conditions were not met, I cannot take the entry. Otherwise, I would be guessing. And that's not how the strategy works. Ideally, both conditions must be fulfilled. Alright. So we just need to wait for that. And now I have almost 15 seconds left. I'll wait to see how it closes and dispositions. Okay. Well, yeah, guys, we cannot lose this one. That's pretty good. We look at this one. Bollinger indicated that fractal break is this $153.60. That's just pretty good. So just opening that one, the lastest. Where I can now show this bearish strength in the indicator I was confirmed as this. Sometimes the indicator may show how the price could reverse, but when enters appear, I see that price is going down. Look at that. That's very, very good. It's very clear. Just break the line. Okay, just break that. Just broken that one. And that's pretty good. That can happen in this case. I look at the trade based on what I saw. The indicator was silently down moving and not upward. Okay, the last position on this OTC pair is a win based on this strategy. I find this strategy interesting because it doesn't appear constantly, and I have to be very attentive to the key zones.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
I wait for the Chaos break and observe what the indicator is doing. If the one indicator is showing upward movement, and that's his show. And look at that, we just got $288. I grew my account for 40 to 292. I was able to finish this video, and that would be all for today. I invite you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your opinion in the comments. I will also invite to the daily live stream on the channel. Okay, have a great day and see you in the next video, guys. I wish you good profits, I wish you good operation, and let's go with that. All right, just please leave your opinion in the comments. That's very important for me, and I want to see everyone in the next live session, guys. Please. Okay, see you, have a good one. Bye bye.